Uba kermen sela ula yok kamperia ka woods na do usnem arajar khat pra hadu usnem arajar arpulai na po ka kliriat constituency. House nem arajar khat pra uba kermen sela ula job nagaseng United Democratic Party kumba arpujar arspa prapusan woods but ka total percentage ka balong sanpo pra point prapu percent. Uba wan ba uday uba Justin Dekhar nakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kumba kan arajar chispa sa woods but ka total percentage ka balong laipusan point 0.5%. Ibawan balay ide ikong Violet Lindo nakaseng National People's Party kumba ka news pa New Woods but ka total percentage ka balong 0.9%. House nem arajar arpulay uba kermen sela ulo job yang nakaseng United Democratic Party kumba arpulay hajar sanspa kat sa Woods but ka total percentage ka balong 10.9%. Uba na ilang lindo uday kurtong ubawan baar nakaseng National People's Party kumba ka niyo hajar kanday spa pra Woods but ka total percentage ka balong 10.5%. But ubawan balay uday uba damiwan hi elrambay nagaseng Voice of the People's Party kumba pra spa Andrew Woods but ka total percentage ka balong 0.08%.